you're going to turn off keyword grouping, and then you're going to go export, Excel, and it's going to put that file into your downloads folder, buchanan.com SEO keyword listings. Okay, if I had done pay-per-click keywords, then I'd get another file like that. If I also exported the ads, I'd get another file like this. So you're going to get all these files in there. Then I want you to collect them up and give them to me. It's a pretty simple task. So let's do the same for, so pay-per-click, okay, summary. So 0, no spend on the pay-per-click spend column, right? Okay, let's do the same for Connect Communications, and then you can do the rest. Connect Communications. Let's have a look. Let's do these guys here. Search. Okay, so these guys aren't advertising right now. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna do that. Turn that off. Export. Excel. Right, I've got everything I need from ComNet. No spend there. They're not doing it either. Let's go to Gap Solutions Group. Converging Business and Technology. Is that what? That's what they say they do. See how they're advertising, if at all. None. Okay, nothing. Okay, well this one's done as well because they didn't have anything worth scraping in organic. Okay, let's take this one. Let's not get out of order here. AvsPL. Let's see how big these guys are. These guys are doing something. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so these guys have got 34 keywords, 27 ads, and 1,300 keywords organically. Okay, so that's interesting. So we know how to do the organic keywords, so I'm not going to explain that one again. Although the difference here is there may be some on Google and some on Bing, right? I didn't really check that on the previous one, but we want to collect them from both, right? So Google, collect, export. Well, let's just do it. Okay, export. We want the keyword grouping off. Export the Bing, Excel. Let's see. So export Google, Excel, export Bing, the Excel. Let's see what files it gave us. So this one is actually Google, and this one is Bing. Google and Bing SEO. Now we're going to go back to here. So there's no Bing ads, only Google. So we're going to select this and we're going to go export all of them. Done, that's done. And we're going to go to ads and we're going to export the ads, and you can see in downloads we've got the ads, the keywords, paid keywords, the keywords, SEO keywords for Bing, SEO keywords for Google. So what we're going to do later is we're going to, join all these together, sort out all the duplicates, and then split them between paid and organic, and that gives us a starting point for choosing our own organic keywords that we're going to target.